how can you recognise signs of poor mental health in a colleague? Is there a clear change in their behaviour, in the way they interact with you? Are they quieter than usual? Do they seem stressed or irritable? Or is there any other marked shift from their baseline personality? Pay attention to how you feel around your colleague. If that has changed, then this might be telling. There may be more subtle signs of poor mental health, especially in those who work remotely, where one-to-one interactions are fewer and farther between. We may notice a change in their performance at work. They may be less efficient, or the quality of their work might uncharacteristically not be up to the standard expected. They may be making mistakes, not completing expected tasks, or becoming forgetful. So, what can you do to support your colleague? Find a moment to yourselves in a private space to ask how they are doing. Explain that you are concerned because, for example, you've noticed them being a little quieter than their usual self. Always start by sensitively expressing your concern for them rather than criticising their performance or offering any other negative. If they're going through a difficult time, they're more likely to open up if they know a friendly ear is ready to receive them. Remind your colleague that there is support out there. If you happen to note any specific sources of support, then by all means let them know. This can be anything from counselling lines to suggesting they visit their GP if necessary. If you're concerned that your colleague's poor mental health may be impacting on those in their care, then do sensitively suggest that they approach their line manager to discuss their problem. It is possible they may need time off to recover, to keep them and their patients safe. All line managers should be prepared to fully support any of their employees going through a period of difficulty. So, that's a brief summary of how to spot signs of poor mental health in a colleague, and just some of the steps you can take to support them. Do check out the NHS Practitioner website for more information on wellbeing resources available to healthcare staff. You do one of the most important jobs in society. It's important you look after yourselves and each other so that you can continue doing the jobs that you love.